Obim! Obim! The Trojan is back! Obim! Wow. Obim! I'm back! Wow! Come my boy. Obim, Mom! Obim, Mom! Obim! Very strange. Very strange.
Sean, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the cobwebs on the door shows that no one has been living here for at least 1 month.
Does it sound strange?
My dear, we're very sorry about your wife's death. It came to all of us as a rude shock, a very big shock indeed. We were worried about you, but thank God here you are. We couldn't get in touch with you because we hadn't the facilities for doing that. That's one thing that happened. Otherwise, you could have had it at the time it happened.
Yeah, I know. I was in distant land. We were on peace mission. So I've been posted from one African country where there was chaos to another one. In fact, I finally ended up at a little place called Tanganyika.
Oh, Tanganyika?
Yeah, and the death toll was so high there that they barred us from communicating with any of our relatives. You know? That's why you couldn't hear from me. But that's by the way. God give her the ticket. So rest in peace. She was a nice woman to me.
Yes.
By the way, what about my son, Akabo?
Oh, Aka. Shortly after the death of your wife and the burial too, my brother-in-law came in to see us. The businessman at Onojie. Then Akabo insisted on following him back to the city to learn a trade. Yes.
No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. To learn what?
To learn a trade.
No, you don't get me. I mean, my own son, Akabo, my son. That's what I'm saying. Not.
I think we're saying the same thing.
That he went to learn a trade.
Yes.
My son.
Yes.
The son of a major. I mean, he's supposed to be in school.
Yes, definitely. But if you look at it properly, you will discover that learning a trade is good too. Alright? Because when he is settled by his master, then he'll be less dependent on you. I don't know whether I've seen it that way.
How is it, my boy?
Permission to return to this, sir.
Come. My boy, come. You know something that you are a smart boy, but smartness alone can make you a good soldier. You have to have intelligence. So when we are young like you, we had very turbulent times, very harsh times. But we weathered the storm and then we became very senior officers. So do that, my dear. Perseverance, adherence to training, that's all. You could even retire as a big officer than myself. And be called retired Major General. Follow up.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's my boy. That's my boy. remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. Yeah.
Good evening.
Yes, that's that. You are not a visitor at the house. No? So how are you? Oh yes, my dear. How are you? Fine. I was going through reminiscences, you know.
I'm just coming back from Pastor's house, so I decided to come and see you and know how you're faring.
I like that. You and your pastoral inclinations, you know. That's what we call ecclesiastical exactitude, eh? Oh, yes, my dear.
Major Dikeh,
Yes.
you have really not changed. You are still living a Spartan life.
Yes, my dear.
I know the military must have made it even greater.
Yes, of course, there's this normal attachment to sentiments, even in the military. Che Guevara was a very powerful warlord. He said the same thing. Machiavellian tactics, you know. You know? But they say beauty is in the eyes of the beholder.
Yes. Indeed, Major. It is very disheartening, you see, to hear about the sudden death of your wife, Chioma. Please accept my condolences.
I'm not a kid, my dear. It's a route. We don't have to take that same route, you know. Yeah. It depends on circumstances, you know.
Oh, yes, you are right. You are really right. In fact, we all are ultimately dead men.
Latently so.
You see, it's a question of when and how.
And where.
Where.
That's the element of latency.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's it, my dear.
You see, Major,
Yeah.
I have to be going.
Yeah, my dear.
Right evening now. I just come to see you.
There was this situation in old Roman Empire, you know, when they say Ave Imperator.
Akabo, what are you doing?
Sir, I'm just about to wash the car.
Akabo, must it take you eternity to wash this car?
No, sir, I went to the toilet when you said
Akabo, pity yourself. Have mercy on yourself. Are you not a human being? Huh? By the way, have you bought what I asked you to buy?
Yes, sir.
It's all right. Go inside and tell Julie to bring those clothes you brought from Nigerian right inside my room.
Yes.
Come back. You don't need to worry yourself. Let me do it myself. I'll go and tell her.
Okay, sir.
Be fast in washing this car.
I will, sir. This one is Sony, original. Yeah? He has all these accessories, you know, that and double key. And this one is 15,000.
What about the other one?
This one is so. It's equally good though, but this one is an original. This one I can cut price. I can give you this one 12.
Let me take this one for 6,000 naira.
What are you talking? Listen, it's still video, it's not VCD. Unless it's VCD, what?
Leave it 6,000. I'm your customer.
Let me give this one 10,000. Just for you. I'm going to give you 10,000. This thing is there. The cable is double cable. The remote, everything is inside it. And it has a testing battery.
Take this 10,000 naira. Write my receipt.
Okay. Baby girl, I like you. You're a fine girl. See, I come here as if you do not smile. You know, a very, very fine girl. You know, that's exactly the reason why I have to give you this. Normally, if you go to this very shade, nobody will take this.
You would have sold this 6,000 naira for me.
You know, don't worry. See, do you normally go out? You can somebody just take you out?
Yes, but that would be weekends.
Hey, weekend is good now because if I work days on weekend, I can come there. Where do you live?
Transico.
Transico. Okay, you have a phone?
Yes, I
I'll take your phone number. What's that your name?
Perpetua.
Why did they give you Perpetua? Anybody that bears Perpetua is either you're peppering your husband or you're peppering your husband. That's how
It's not like that.
They should have given you Monica or this.
You can call me Monica, but they will call me
I baptize you. Listen to the Monica for today. What's your phone number?
070
070
36 28.
Pasa? Pasaro! Why are you like this? Have you eaten today at all?
I've not eaten. Even the usual bread and akara, I can't afford it. My guy collected all the money in the locker. What do I do? I don't have any money to buy.
Pasa, you saw. How can you be complaining of this thing like that? Your guy collected it for what? Pasa, they call you Pasare, Pasazero. That's not how to do it. How many years have you stayed with this man? No, tell me.
Oh, I've stayed 18 years.
Get it?
18
It's
years.
a lie.
I've stayed 18 years.
Pasa, 18 years, and they're talking about your common food.
What do I do?
You won't tell me. How can you do that kind of thing? You're the manager of this very place. Listen, even the number of years they say I'm going to stay, I will not stay. Pasa, begin to settle yourself now. If you are waiting, the man will have this chairman. Is he your father?
Oh, it's not my father.
So why would you say that number of years and they have no, they're still talking about it?
No, the thing is, when I came to live in Caesar, I was a younger man. And I've stayed 18 years, like I told you. He said he would settle me. You know, I'm still waiting for him to settle me. He said I'm not man enough to handle my own business.
Don't wait! Settle yourself.
How do I settle myself?
Listen, you're not the manager here. You sell all these things. Everything is in your hand. Why do you think I'm living big? Yeah, with pigs.
Talking sense.
What for this man at that 18 years? Are you a slave?
Hey.
What?
Julie, why are you always doing this? Why are you harsh now? Smile for me. Somebody who likes you, a man who likes you, is interested in you. Each time you're frowning.
What do you mean by that?
Julie, you know I like you. In fact, I'm almost loving you now. If you don't know. In fact, I will, from now on, after the love now, I begin to die for you.
Really?
Yes.
If you don't want to, then maybe I'll report you to my sister.
For what now? No, Julie, for what? No, take a look at me. Am I not man enough? Can't I even impregnate you now? To tell you that I'm a man, I'm man enough. Julie, I love you so. Even that I was telling you the other day. You say that to me.
Don't touch me.
I want to tell you that I can draw this thing that is
Don't
here.
touch me. What's your problem?
Okay, I know your problem. I know your problem, Julie. Because I haven't done it before doesn't mean that it's not in my mind. But I take this very well. It's 500. Okay. Add 20 to it. Julie, this is all the money in my pocket I'm giving to you and you're doing the guy.
Julie, can you imagine me, Julie? Just take a good look at yourself. Look at yourself. You think it's because of those small money you normally steal from shop? You can come here and call me, touch me, talk to me the way you like.
Julie, they put me for granted, bro. I don't like it. In a woman, I don't like it.
Okay, don't worry. Let me find you some money.
Find you some blue cash. Julie, stop this guy that you're doing. Stop this anger.
This is 2,000 naira. Keep it.
Julie, if you don't go, Julie, I started moving around. Which man gave you this? Julie, I'm jealous, so. I'm a little girl now.
My very good friend. This is Kola.
I know.
Manasi Nigeria Nollywood.
That was before we speak good English.
Asilonian with the Onojie with
Igwe, excuse me. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest. To serve Nigeria with all my...
Major, hold on. When you have Kola now, you Don't say any other thing.
No. You are wrong there. No. As a true citizen of this country, you have to recite your pledge before any official function. Just like that. That's it.
That sounds like blasphemy.
But you will. Our ancestors were not vagabonds. No. This is their homeland. Get me right. I am not disparaging our culture. I'm not, being crazy about it.
Major, I think you have a point there. I know you are a learned person, but let's start with this kola nut. If I'm not going to afford you, I will see you. Organize. Ekirikita ọba mama na atọ yoyo tupu ya enye anyị nwa ọma anyị anyị ọmụ ụmụ na amụ ọkụ n'ọnụ nke isi eburu na a ga-enye anyị ife eji enye ndụ anyị.
Hello, hey! Hello, come. Double up. Come on.
How are you?
You say?
How are you?
You are a mad man. You are asking Jupiter, how are you? All right. What are you doing on this land?
Hey. What does it look like I'm doing there?
You have not answered my question, mister. I say, what are you doing on my land?
Well, I think your brother Wakwe should be in a better position to answer you that question.
My friend, I don't waste words. Many words do not fill a basket. I don't care what transpired between you and Wakwe, your so-called my own brother. What do you mean about it? I mean, what are you doing on my land?
But you should know that Wakwe sold this land to me.
Shut up! You are a very foolish fool. Someone sold you a virgin land, you didn't even ask of authenticity, and you wasted your money? You put your money in a hole? You put water, you pour water in a basket? Hey, come on. I want you out of this land. If I catch you here again, I will descend on you like all the devils in hell. I will squeeze you into smithereens.
Is that a threat?
God forbid. I'm a soldier, by the war-tried soldier, not an academic soldier. We don't believe in threats. We go into realistic realities. If I see you here again, my brother, you won't even know the epitaph on your grave. Now get out. If I drive this car from here and I come back and see you here, you are a dead carcass. I say, get out! Get out! Better. I sold you a whole virgin land like this, with palm trees, and you bought a cankerworm. I'm not going to drop you, just find your way out. Get out. One cassava stem is missing. Where's the idiot? He's gone.
One word is missing. Did you plant a cassava?
You're just torturing. You have not answered my question. Did you sell my land by the Onojie to Mazia Zaka? That is the question.
I said, yes.
You did what?
Let's go in so that I can explain to you.
No. Don't say that to me. I'm not going anywhere. If there's any explanation to be done, do it here. Huh?
If that is the way you want it. It was in that year that your late wife, Obioma, became seriously ill, that I sold the land. And of course it was against my wish to do so. But I needed the money to take care of her and your son, Akabog. And that's why I sold the land.
I see. That was why I sold the land. Thank you very much. I thank you for your concern over the welfare of my late wife and my son Akabog while I was away. But throughout your discussion over the predicament you went through, you did not mention to me whether you sold any of your personal property or your inheritance. So why must you sell mine?
Look, I tell you this.
No, don't tell me that. I mean, you sold... Listen. The only way out is this. Go and sort yourself out with Azaka. Tell him I don't want to see him on that land anymore. If I set my eyes on him then, if I see not it.
I've suffered in this house. Look at how these people are enjoying themselves while I'm suffering. They don't even care to know whether I've eaten or not. Look at the one who calls himself my yoga, who may even be my junior. Look at the way he's treating me. They don't even want to look my way. God, please change this my position.
Akabo.
Okay.
What are you doing there?
Okay, I'm trying to dust this place. It's very dusty. Leave the room.
Go to your room. Tomorrow is weekend. You can do that before you go to shop.
Okay,
I said go to your room.
I should go to my room?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to see if I can...
go to your room.
Okay, sir.
It's alright. I know you'll be needing some money. Take this. This is 10,000. Manage it.
Thanks.
I'll see when I come back.
Okay.
Julisco Awaka. Baby Diego. Alpha.
Aka, what is it again? Huh?
Now relax now. Cool down for me now, Julie. Why are you harsh? Cool down for Jesus. Look, you're my personal person. You know.
As you can see, I am very busy and I don't think I need any disturbance this morning.
Julie, I bought you something you cannot refuse.
I thought I've told you to stop giving me money and gifts. Or are you deaf?
If that thing, Julie, it's not just ordinary gift. This is something I know when you test it. Ice cream, the same color with yours. You and this ice cream, the same color. And as you keep taking this ice cream, your color will be shining, sparking. Is it? Julie? Is it my ice cream that you threw away? My hard-earned money. Don't you know that's money? Huh?
Come. Which money of yours are you even talking about? Oh, you think I don't know how you used to steal money from shop?
Don't even go there, Julie. Because I know how you make your own money. I know how you make your money and who gives you money around. Relax this thing.
Get out, pour it on you.
Try it now. I'll go and open this. Tell everybody what I saw. What do you mean? Look, let me tell you. Okunaga wala anyanaga wala this year.
Akabog!
Madam, what are you doing there? It's the flower on Uju's hand. I want to see, I like the way they draw it in, and I want to plant flower somewhere else.
Akabog!
Madam.
Oh, you want to plant flower? Let's see. Come on, do something for me. I said follow me!
Aka. If you see this girl that I met yesterday, hi, clean, sharp girl. Now, one or together. You don't know. Hi. If you see her, you know that God created her on a Sunday. Beautiful girl. You right the girl. I tried though, but if you see the way the girl washed me, she looked at me as if I'm worth nothing. But I've not lost hope. I'm still trying my luck.
Forget your hope. But hope for what?
What do you mean? You to work out.
You have to be handsome.
But I'm handsome. I'm packaged. I am handsome. You know it. Eh?
Lazy passer are not handsome. Everyone know that when they say you are handsome. Handsome means hand, something in hand. Goodie.
Money.
What are you saying?
No wonder. Everything is not money. You understand? It's not money. I must not have money. I look good.
Pastor, don't encourage yourself. Money is something. Will the guy hit you? You need something at the back of your back pocket. That's all. When Oyibo said somebody is handsome, they are not making a mistake. And they brought it in and they put it for men. Men has to be hand, something in hand.
You have a point here.
Woody, that is handsome.
If you see the way she looked at me as if I'm a pack of shit, I was like, I'll go back.
Pastor, you're a pack of shit.
Stop that.
You are a pack of shit now until
don't worry.
You become handsome.
Until you see the girl.
Hey.
Come on, stop that caricature. What do you mean? Who am I greeting? Are you a soldier? What do you want?
Any problem? Sir. You know, if I don't greet now, you say I did not salute. I don't know. Well, that's not why I'm here. I was coming from EKG.
Therefore?
So, as I was passing by that piece of land by Onojie, I saw Manzi Azaka farming. I said, what is happening here? Because as a little boy, my father told me that that piece of land belonged to you. I said, when did Major sell this land to Chief Azaka?
Yeah. I didn't sell any land to nobody.
You mean you did not sell the land to him?
Why should I even sell the land?
If you are sure you did not sell that land to him, you must take action immediately.
Of course.
If you see the kind of crops he's planting there, they are not the type that he will harvest in the next 20 years.
Jesus is Lord.
Palm trees, nkwenu, guava, mango.
On that land?
Those kind of crops that will take him like 40 years.
This buffoon wants to defy me, My boy, you have done the very best you could do.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, my dear. You can go.
You know, I said, since it's almost very difficult to please you, let me be patronizing some of this information.
Yes, you have done it well now.
Thank you very much, sir.
For the first time in recent times, you are useful.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
You can go,
I should go?
Yes, my dear. Hi, just imagine.
So, you mean I should be going up to my house?
No, to my own house.
Okay. I was wondering, I don't know, we know.
Fall out!
This is 22, whether they have paid gratuity.
Fall out!
Sorry, sir.
Gratuity.
I should just go like that?
Yes, just go like that.
No problem.
Oh, yeah. I know what to do. 6-4-3-3, yes. Aha! Hello, boy. Yeah, of course, the major. Yeah, my boy. Distress, Distress call. Yes. Come here with 2 or 3 boys, you know. Yes. No, not arms. Just come. Yes. Now. Yes, my boy. Thank you. Fall out. Thank you. Hey, when the useless man is moving towards where dance is hot and he has one leg, he wants to hop. Azaka, I will turn you to Adaka. You don't know me. Fall out. That is it, boys. You will lead them to that man's place. I want to bring him here to me. Soldiers! Sir! You go and get that man here. I don't want him dead, I want him alive. Right? All right, sir! That's my khaki. Yes.
Sure, sir!
Go with the car.
All right, sir.
My boy, lead them.
You know that these people have training. I mean, but just allow them to go and do this operation.
Boy, no, you are covered. No, I'm here. You are covered. Fear no foe.
Covered. Can't cover. When they are gone now, Chief Azaka will be on my neck.
Who is he? Who is he? Infinitesimal. Move!
Hey.
Ah.
I know what is the word now. Not only this man that day.
Put him in the boot. This is how you have been brought down to. I thought you were smart or tough.
Please, Major, please. I beg you in the name of God. In this world, this life, or in the next, I will never defy you. In fact, I will never venture into that land.
Shut up there! I warned you! Yes, Yet you chose to defy me.
I'm sorry, I swear to God. I will never defy you again. Please.
Keep quiet, my friend. You have no choice.
Yes, sir.
But to do what I say you should do.
Yes, sir.
Let this be the last time you step on that land. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Stand up, dummy. Now get up. Bukasa. Before I kill you. Out. It is a foolish man who will stand before a moving train. Boys!
Sir!
That was well done. Cleverly done. Not much damage. First, I'm alright. I'm alright inside, you know. Well, let's see. Use this for fuel. That's it.
Shut up!
Shut up! Go back. Don't wait. Back. Thank you.
Alright, sir. You boys the other day about playing cards in the shop. Eh? You boys are very, very stupid though. So, if we did not come back here after our meeting, this is how you boys would have spent the whole day playing cards. Eh? Sasa, how many customers have you brought our shop today?
I didn't see anybody. I just this morning. I didn't see anybody.
You see? You see it now? Come on, go to the shop. Enter the shop.
And you, Akabo,
sir,
what have you been doing since morning I left you?
Sir, I've done quite a lot too. Immediately we left, I went to that market and I ate a plate of, with my money, I ate a plate of rice. Then when I came back, I went to the toilet. Then somebody came and says, your brother, as he needed water, so I went to that place and I bought pure water for him. I came back, and me and Masa, we conversed a bit.
Just listen to yourself. Can you hear yourself, Akabo? Can you hear yourself? Akabo.
Sir?
Akabo.
Sir?
How many times did I call you?
Sir, I did not count.
You did not count. Come on, get inside his shop.
I'm not fine. My guy is too wicked. Too harsh. You know he instructed the wife not to give me food because of what happened yesterday. Can you imagine?
Basa, your Oga is a pastor compared to my Oga. Huh? That man is wickedness that they tied in a bundle. My Oga. Very wicked. Your Oga only rejected you food. At least he still talk to you. This man will accuse you of stealing, accuse you of anything that you haven't even done. But soon, I will deal with that man.
What can you do?
By the time I finish with him, people will be surprised.
Aka, what can you do?
Look, if I set his operation on fire, you see something.
Hey! Are you serious?
Have I ever told you anything before?
Hey! Come on.
Relax. You know how to deal with different people. If you do not deal with them, okay. When you finish, you come back.
Akabo, why are you operating this system?
They are playing match.
Are you mad?
Arsenal and
you want to damage it?
Okay, how can I damage it? Have I damaged all the ones in the shop?
My friend, will you drop that thing, my friend?
Okay, allow me to give me freedom with this. The way you people are doing me, it's no longer going to happen because I've won. You know I hold you. You know something I have.
Hold who? Hold who? Don't say that again.
Okay, I want that madam. I want that madam.
Do you have any evidence? Go and tell her now. Go.
Okay, let me be honest with you. You see that day, I have evidence. I recorded you.
My friend, guys, sit down. Recorded what?
Oh, you're not doubting it? Let me tell you what happened. That very day, as I was passing that room, I noticed that I heard the noise, and I knew you were there. I listened, and the door was locked. So I went to see if I can get my phone to record the noise. I went to get my phone. On coming back, lo and behold, the door was ajar. So I took some photographs. I took some photographs of you, and actually, I have evidence, Oga. I have evidence. Oh, you're doubting it? Why do you think I no longer have that phone? The green phone. Since when? I went and kept it somewhere. So any day you do back, I'll go and bring it and show it to madam, and even show it to everybody. So if you don't treat me like a human being here, okay, I'm going to show it to everybody. Starting from madam. And I'll scatter your family. I'll run them home. Just for me to watch Arsenal and the Premier League. Why is Chelsea doing this now?
My goodness. Akabo!
Madam.
Akabo!
Madam.
I thought I sent you an errand.
Yeah, I will still go now. Let me just finish this.
What are you doing here?
Chelsea and Bolton.
Akabo! Is something wrong with you?
Madam, I will still go for a message now.
Hey!
I watch this match.
Akabo! Akabo!
Madam.
Won't you go to shop?
I will go to the shop now. Let me finish this.
Finish what?
Madam, can't I watch? Don't I even have a free time? Am I in prison?
Akabo! Get up from that bed and go to the shop.
Madam, wait.
Akabo! Come and go to the shop.
Madam,
I'm talking you.
Let me finish this match.
What is wrong with you? Hey! Somebody should come and talk to me. What is happening?
What is happening?
It's your boy. Yes! Come and ask him.
Akabo.
Oga, Chelsea. Chelsea.
What do you mean by Chelsea?
Oga, you're blocking me.
Look at
Chelsea.
What is wrong with you?
Hey!
Huh?
By this time of the day, you're still in bed?
Chelsea and Bolton.
Which Chelsea and Bolton? You don't know you should be going to shop by now.
Okay, I'm still going now. Let me finish this match now.
What is wrong with you?
Why are you still asking him question? Beat him!
You know, my madam is Julia.
Hit! Akabo!
Okay, it's okay. Take it easy.
Akabo!
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Are you still looking at Akabo?
It's okay, and I say you should go.
I should go.
Yes, I'll take care of it.
Relax.
Akabo!
Madam.
Akabo! You are looking for my trouble.
Listen.
And I'll give it to you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Just take it from me, I'll give it to you.
It's okay, go.
I'll give it to you.
Don't worry.
Just wait, I'll give it to you.
Oga say, cool down. If Oga say.
Oga, waiting you dey do no good. I see you. I get evidence, so I see you. If you don't give me my respect, I see something go come out from my big mouth.
Oga, I've been meaning to call you.
Any problem?
Yes, there's a problem. I noticed that it's like I have a boil here. It's still developing, but I don't want it to, I don't want to shake it too much so that it doesn't develop fast. So I'm even thinking if you can clean the car yourself. Oga, you know I don't know any place in the city. You need to take me around the city so that I will know all the streets, all the nooks and corners and crannies.
Akabo.
So that anytime maybe they are owing us, you can now say go and collect the money from me. It's for your own benefit too.
Akabo, are you out of your mind?
Am I out of my mind? Look, we have an understanding. No? This pali, don't you like this way we are pallying?
Pali, that you asked me to wash the car and take you around the city. I mean, is anything wrong with you?
Okay, madam. Madam. I like the way we are relating now.
No problem.
See, we are relating fine.
No problem.
Let me go.
I get evidence, so I see you. If you don't give me my respect, I see something go come out from my big mouth. I see you.
Darling, what are you doing? Why are you washing your car? Oh. Where's Akabo? Akabo!
No, don't worry. I've not done something like this for a very long time, you know now. So I'm using it as my morning exercise. Yeah.
It's okay. Just that the breakfast is ready.
Okay, it's ready, eh?
Yes.
I'll join you soonest, eh?
No, let's go.
I said, don't worry, I'll join you.
Okay. I'm waiting for you.
It's all right.
Oh my God.
Look at what I have done to myself. So this son of the devil has successfully turned me into a slave in my own house. What am I going to do now? Should I send him packing? No. It is not an option. What will I tell my wife? And that idiot will definitely tell her everything between me and her sister. I don't enter. Come out no days, you. Hey. In fact, God, if you deliver me from this one, I will never try it again. I swear.
Darling, you're awake. Why are you not sleeping? What is the matter?
My dear, I don't know why some people are so wicked. Could you believe that somebody came and asked me to give him goods worth of millions of naira and promised to pay up in 2 weeks' time? This is a year now. He has not even paid a dime.
What? How come you never told me about this? Who is the person?
It's Madoka.
Madoka?
But I'm going to deal with him ruthlessly. Yes. It's a promise.
So you have the guts to do a thing like this and still comes to my house to eat almost every day? Honey, don't worry, okay? I am going to confront him myself.
No, he has promised to pay up. Yes.
Are you sure?
Let me give him benefit of doubt.
Okay. Let's go to sleep.
I'm not complaining. You are complaining. No, it's not as if I'm complaining. You surprised me. You don't come to shop early. You drink in the shop. You now sit on your gas seat. Aka, what if your guy walks in now? What will you tell him?
Does Oga not drink beer in the office?
But he is the Oga.
What is the difference between me and Oga?
The difference is that he's Oga, you are boy. You are still learning.
Me and Oga are pals now.
Your Oga is your pal.
Oh yes, my pali. I'll give you a gist. Put you in line how you are going to be pali with your Oga.
The phone is ringing.
It's my Oga, I don't have time for you.
You don't have time for your Oga. Hey!
Okay, don't worry. Yes. Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm in the shop. But I've answered you here, yes, sir.
Hey.
Did I say yes, sir? I said I'm in the shop. I'm drinking beer. I said I'm drinking beer. Okay, please stop shouting. Stop shouting, man. I have ear problem. Stop shouting so that I can hear you. I'll off the phone.
Hey.
Okay, I'll off the phone. Yes, I've gone mad.
You cut from your Oga.
Pasaro.
Chief Emeka, I don't know what is going on, but have you observed your boy Akabogo recently? That boy is getting out of hand though. Imagine the other day, I saw him sitting in the shop dressed like a chief. Huh? And these days, this boy can be very, 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 very arrogant. Chief, tell me what is going on. Because I know that something is happening. Chief, talk to me. I'm your brother. Talk to me, please.
Chief Ebu, I've been blackmailed.
You? Blackmailed? Impossible. Impossible. That person doesn't know you. To blackmail a whole chief maker in this place? No.
It's alright, calm down.
Calm down when you're being blackmailed?
Calm down.
Huh?
You see, a fly that is dancing, playing, and even acrobaticking in front of a spider's web. Let him beware of the spider's anger.
I hear you.
So, let's go inside. I'll talk to you later.
Madam. What do you think you're doing? I'm just taking a little bit of this one.
Will you drop that thing and get out of this place?
Madam, you see, there is love in sharing. That's what it is. And I just saw how happy the family is. I wanted to come and become a part of the family. Instead of staying there alone.
Akabogo, sharing what? I said you should get out of this table.
Okay, you said I should get out.
Allow him.
Thank you.
Just calm down. Let him take. There's nothing there.
Akabogo, what do you think you're doing? I said you should carry this plate of food inside your room. Did you hear me?
It's okay.
But sister, don't you think as one happy family we should be eating together?
Oh, yes. Shut up your mouth.
Yeah. I demand an explanation. Akabogo, listen, I am the madam of this house and I said you should get out of this table.
Okay, try to get out.
Get out!
It's okay.
Get out at once! Look at him. What is happening? I need an explanation.
Who do you love?
You. What are you saying? Don't you know I love you? Did I tell you before?
You love me and you've been treating me this way, isn't it?
Okay. Julie, to be honest with you, if I let me just be truthful, it's Oga that is causing this thing. If it was him, let me put it like that. It was him that caused all this. Yes, you know I'm a human being. And I'm eventually going to grow into a man. When you reach this very stage, anything they do to you, you have to fight back as a man. Oga kept doing this thing. I just got angry. I didn't mean it to harm you. Julie, honestly, I cannot do anything that will harm you.
Okay. So wait. Are you telling me that you're going to stop all this nonsense you're doing?
Julie, if you see me do it again or hear that happen, why would I do it now?
Julie? What's the meaning of this?
Yes. It's not what you think.
Shut up your mouth! Akabo! What are you doing in my sister's room?
It's Julie's room.
What is happening here?
Come and see. Akabo! I said, what are you doing in my sister's room?
Madam, I came in here and I saw Julie.
Hey! Akabogo, still you've not answered what I asked you. I said, what are you doing in my sister's room?
Madam, it's my turn.
Which turn? Which turn by turn, Akabo? Is this place a motor park?
You know, Madam, it's not only me. We share Julie.
Okay. I want to understand what you are saying, and I'm not getting it clear. Akabogo, are you trying to tell me that my husband here is sleeping with my sister? Is that what you're saying?
Madam, I don't know whether they do it sleeping or but you know, it's like I hear noise. At least Oga says No, I'm just trying to tell that you know Julie very well. Just like I know Julie very well. Yes.
Is it true?
I will explain. Please.
Is it true? Is it true?
Madam,
somebody help me!
From there. He will explain.
So what brought me here is this man, Akabog, whom you gave me to serve me. He's a Wezeka, and I cannot stay with such a person. So I brought him back for you to give him back to his father. I think I'm okay with him. So if you know where you brought him from, please do send him back there.
Iche, let me tell you, all this talk that they are talking, you know, Ogemeka knows exactly why he's saying what he's saying. He's doing it as if I am begging to come back. I don't want to serve them anymore. Who wants to go back to him? He's doing it as if you tell me as if you're rejecting me. I have rejected. In fact, I resigned before I'm giving that resignation paper. They treat me like rag. Somebody like me. But I'm not a rag. I'm happy that my father has come back. I know all the things Ogemeka is trying to avoid. He doesn't want to settle me. But Ogemeka, let me tell you, when the time comes for you to settle me, you will settle me. Whether you like it or not. There are other people who have made money before you. Let me go and see my father.
Akabog, you can't do anything.
You are not the only person. Ogemeka Onwendi will go before you. Let me tell you.
You are just a Wezeka, Oduonyeduya, and I will not settle you. If you like, let your father be whatever he is.
Papa, I heard that you're back. They told me that you're back.
My boy!
They told me you came back.
You are looking like all the angels in heaven.
It's good, though. It's good.
My, oh my.
It's good.
That's
You're
good,
welcome,
man.
Papa.
Hey, what about your boss? I brought something for him. Your boss, yeah, I've got some gift, you know.
Papa, human beings are not good.
No, normally.
I'm just coming from this and I am back and no more going back there.
What's about?
Papa, if
The worst of yes.
Papa, why is it that those who are something do not want the poor man to grow?
Military tactics, surprise, you know. Because these people, neighbors could be, you know. So don't worry, you better go in. Eh?
Papa, why is it that any...
Go in, I'm coming.
Papa,
they are all jealous. Because he wants to make his headway now. Nobody ever knew it was going to be like this. And nobody can tamper with my tail. That is my tail. The lion. Die.
No, I don't want to hear that. I say, where is the fool? Where is that fool?
Please.
No.
No, brother, calm down.
What do you mean calm down? How can that nincompoop accuse my own son of such a heinous crime? For God's sake, if I lay my hands on him, I will descend on him like all the devils in hell. Yes.
But in this mood, you develop hypertension, blood pressure, high blood pressure.
What are you talking about? I've had that for a long time, more than 15 years. I'm a customer to it. Yes, I'm still alive. I say if I lay my hands on him, I will squeeze him. I will transfer part of
I don't want to lose you now.
I mean, listen, I will kill somebody. Hey.
So that is it.
So there is politics in reality.
What are you talking about? High wire politics. High wire. Jesus. For example, I was supposed to be a major 3 years before I was made a major. She cheated me for 3 years. Why? Because an idiot from the Orientals, you know, we call it East, Far East, wanted black men to be carrying load for him, and subordinate and said no. I was the first black man to stand against that type of
for Oriental dance band. You know where now Oriental.
You are very stupid. Oriental is Malaysia, all those areas, Kuala Lumpur, and the rest. Yeah, man.
Okay, they are the people they call Oriental.
Thank you.
Now, you know we have Oriental in Owerri.
So they said, and I said no. I slapped the idiot.
The white man?
I was supposed to be court-martialed, but I stood my ground.
You slapped the white man?
Yes, sir. That black is rough and yes.
Major can do it.
Yes. But I traversed Sarajevo. I was the first black man to fight in eastern part of Germany and western part. Austro-Prussia. I was jailed in Poland. What are you talking? Look at the mark here. You won't even see it well. So that was what happened.
You are tough. You are tough. Papa, there's another thing that has been confusing me. Let me ask it now. You know, actors they said major and sergeant major. I don't know which one is higher than which. There are even some of those people that they put this big clock on their hand. They say it is rank.
Do you know that you are the one giving your father the impression that all of us don't know it?
Do you know it? Do you know it?
What are you saying? All those things you need to teach us in primary school, were you not there?
Oh, thank you, my boy.
I used to be. Did they teach you up in military training school?
Let him correct you, my friend.
Okay, tell me.
The difference between sergeant major and major is the major general.
You are stupid.
Sir?
Stop!
Fool. Look at you. Want to answer the question?
I thought you had brains.
I thought the general is
going to get away.
Leave major to answer.
You see,
thank you, sir.
A sergeant major. Those are leaders of the lower cadre. But the genesis of their appellation was even before the French Revolution of 1789. These were soldiers under the snow. They were watching the big clock, regimenting it. If we were moving too fast, they bring it back. We were coming too back, they take it this way. So they started giving us this big clock. They regiment the clock. And that clock now is the general.
Oh, is that why they give
the way that clock?
Nobody knows the truth.
He's telling us his experience.
Anything he tells us we take now. Where is the evidence? Who else was there?
My friend, I'm a commander.
Don't tire of this.
Come here. Hey! Where are you?
No, I want to go to my house.
Shut! Hey, Major is talking, you listen. Who are you?
Can't you go?
Don't be in the compoop.
Shut up!
Shut up! What are you?
Not
taking it, what do you mean? How can you say it's going on and Major is talking?
I don't want to
go to
India. I'm not going.
Do you know India?
No plans.
Do you know Punjab?
I would go there.
Do you know Chakrabarti?
I don't want to go there.
You say what? So that's it, my brother. By the way, our cabs. Bargo. Come here. Yes, education master. That is my son. And Akabogo. Matulibot. This is Mr. Zubike.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
Yeah, he's our education master around here for us. So he's going to put you through about that proposal for adult term.
Okay, they're not education I'm talking about.
Mr. Zubike, my son dropped at primary 3. Yes.
It's not as if I dropped. Why, Papa, why you putting shame on my face? No, did I drop? Is it my fault? I did not.
Did you go beyond 3?
It was my fault.
That doesn't matter. You see, you can still be okay. How are you, Akabo?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, Major, it is really necessary for him to get education.
Yes, of course.
He has to be educated. Otherwise, he can't fit in anywhere. Whether he stopped at 3 or whatever.
Or he dropped.
Or he dropped.
The same thing.
Whatever.
He stopped.
I didn't drop, but no drop.
Don't worry.
Thank you very much, Mr. Azumi.
Thank you very much.
Let's offer some cola.
Let me.
Yeah, go and get cola.
No. Thank you.
No. What of me?
I don't take it.
Nico, I was ashamed. I was shamefaced. You know, yesterday was the first time I attended the class. The moment I entered that classroom, and Miss Rose says, "Okay, fine, I should stand up," she now introduced me as their new classmate.
Okay.
Nico, these people laughed at me.
Why now? Why were you not properly dressed?
Why were properly dressed what? You know they are just young small people. They felt when they say this person is your classmate and you look at the person that looks like Methuselah, what will you do? Look what they laughed. It's not a laughing matter. At a stage, you know, some of them were rolling on the floor. I was confused, I was embarrassed. Nico, hey! I was ashamed. It's not a laughing matter. Nico, let me tell you, anything you want to do in life, start it early. Even to have children, start it early. Stop laughing now. Anything. If not, you'll be embarrassed. Oh, it's you. What's that your name?
Junior Udo.
Junior Udo. No, you're a very intelligent boy. I like the way you answer questions in the class. Do you understand? Just keep it up. I like bright boys. But why are you going for this kind of late schooling? Now you are still a young boy. You could still go to a regular school.
Actually, I'm not living with my parents. I'm staying with my uncle who is a businessman. So I help him out in the store. During the evening time, I come for a lecture.
Okay, but the man should have put you in regular school. Yeah, why are you leaving this young boy to wait and then go with this and that?
The topography is easy, you know. In the military, you know, when you have a large expanse of land like this, and then you have your APCs around, I'm not a carrier, and then, but, hello?
Gracias.
Akabogu, sir. Your father has come to see you.
My boy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Major.
That's good, that's good. How far are you coping with your studies?
Everything is okay.
Everything is okay?
Yes.
Good. That's good. I came to see how far you are faring.
Oh, Papa, everything is alright.
Everything is alright?
Yes.
He's adapting fast.
That's good, my boy. If you have any problems, don't hesitate, let me know.
I don't know. We are doing a test on history. And I want to go back and I was there near that.
Oh my God, you are wonderful.
You can go back.
That's good, that's good.
Alright.
I'm excited.
I think I have something.
Wait a minute. Akas. Just a little mental question, you know, exercise. What is the capital of Portugal?
Capital of Portugal?
Yes, my boy. Simple question. Portugal.
No, Portugal is the capital. We should be talking of the country.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh, is that how you have been coping?
No. It's test up. You know, see you here with me, nobody means it. Uncle, there is this man in our class. He's almost your age. I know you won't believe me.
Not serious. My age in your class. What is he studying for? Memeka, is it possible?
It is possible. Education is a continuous thing. Anybody can go to school at any age. Yes?
Don't worry, next time you come, I will show you the man. His name is Akabo.
I would like to see the person. My age.
Who can tell me who designed the Nigerian flag?
Market Taiwo Akinkumi.
Yes.
Correct.
Keep quiet. Second question. Who can tell me who discovered the sea route to India?
Auntie.
Vasco da Gama.
Correct. Clap for him. Quiet. The third question. Who can tell me who discovered the North America? Quiet.
Say who?
Discovered North America.
Okay, American.
American. Keep standing. How can you tell me it's an American? Final question. Okay, Junior, please tell the class who discovered North America.
Christopher Columbus.
Correct! Clap for him! Hey, stand up, keep standing. Final American.
Nico. Talk to me if you want to talk to me. Which one? You've been smiling, yes.
See, I'm smiling for good. You see this education, adult education that I've entered. Something good is there.
Is that not why you went to register in the first place?
Not in terms of education.
What?
Nico, I met a girl there yesterday. You see this girl?
In the school?
Chai.
Is she fine?
Fine girl. Fine Okrobeke. See this girl, her name is Sharon.
Aye. Fine name.
They say she's the education master's daughter.
Hey.
Fine girl.
That is a problem.
What problem?
No. That's a big problem. Do you want to be expelled? That man can just drive you away from that school.
Expelled? It's the education that are not demanding. It's the daughter not like daughter of another.
Is she the only girl in that school?
Why is she different? Why is she different? So leave that thing. I've even written a love letter to a girl.
I beg you, who do you want to? You write love letter?
It's not as if I wrote it myself. Junior wrote it for me. I've given it to the girl. I'm waiting for it.
Has she read it?
I'm waiting for the reply. Maybe by tomorrow when I go, I'll just go and get her reply.
Please now, help me talk to Junior so that he can write one for me. Let me just hold it. Anytime I see any girl that I like, I submit it.
That is not the way to do it. Stay and watch first. Allow me get this girl with that techniques until you see how I have gone with the girl. Then we can now begin to talk about it. Let's do it turn by turn.
No, see, do not disturb anything. Everybody will be on his lane. You're on your lane, I'm on my lane. Everybody, it won't disturb. Just let him just write it. I will hold it. Once I see any girl that I like, I submit it.
And then go and find your own junior. It's not my junior that's going to write your own. It's everybody on his own lane.
Why are you like this? Something that you can do for somebody, you will not do it. Every time now, if it's me now, you want me to do it for you.
I know you, because next time now, you begin to write letter to the girl.
Dear Sharon, how are you? I hope you are fine. Thank God if you are fine. I'm writing this letter to tell you how much I love you. From the first day I set my eyes on you, I fell in love with you. When I sleep, I dream of you. In anything I do, I dream of you. Sharon, when can we see? Tell me when we can see so that we can discuss. I love you so much that I cannot stand it. Yours sincerely, Akabogo Owakwe.
Miss Rose, please. My wife and I have noticed a very strong negative influence in the life of Junior. So we decided to come to plead with you to help us keep very close watch on that boy.
Alright, don't worry. I'll try my best. I will.
Miss Rose, please, who is Akabogo in your class?
Oh, you mean Akabogo? He's the new student in my class and almost the oldest. Hope there is no problem with him.
There's no problem, my dear. I want to know because Jean always talk about him.
Okay, he's the son of Major J.T. Wakwe.
Okay, the retired army major.
Yeah, you're right.
Please, there's something I want to beg you. I don't want the association between Junior and that boy. Please, please. If you do that, I will be very happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're here, I was waiting to see if I can see you go, but I'm trying to go back and check.
I just want to finish this magazine before going home. Yes, I got your letter. It was very funny.
Funny?
Yes, and I like it.
Oh, you like it?
Yes.
I'm happy you like it. I thought you said it's funny.
Oh, Aka, tell me, why are you staying in school at this level?
Let's forget about that. Let's face the major thing. The major thing is I I like you, I have this feeling, and I want to see it now. Good day, tell nobody's here. I like you so much. So much that at times, this question that you asked now, I got confused because I have not stayed in front of you like this. I stand in front of you like this. It shakes me, makes me confused. Do you know, since I started coming to this class, the moment I entered this class and I saw you, I said, yes, this girl will not do this. And this girl in this my class, she will not go.
Serious? But I'm not in your class. I just finished my secondary school, and instead of being at home, I usually come here with my auntie. I'm being bored at home too.
Okay, you bring your aunt here.
Yeah.
No wonder at times I don't even see you in the class again. At times I see you. Is that the reason? No wonder you don't even answer questions. You don't even attempt anything. Okay, now I understand.
Yeah.
Sharon, you see, just like I keep saying it, and I can't get tired of saying how much I feel for you. I don't know whether you feel anything for me, but I know I feel so much for you.
Yeah, you sure you really like me?
You're touching me. Look, I don't like you, I love you. And in fact, any day I keep loving you, and loving you, and loving you. And the love continues to increase. I will explode. Where do you normally follow when you want to go?
The major road.
No. There is an Appian way. It is shorter. In fact, that Appian, I will show you an Appian in an Appian. Yes. That way. It's night already. Let me escort you. I can you stay up to this very time. I'm happy. Even hey, Sharon.
Are you traveling?
Traveling where? Look, my sweetheart is coming to me today. Joe, will you marry me? That girl I told you about. The girl, Sharon.
The school...
Yeah, the education master. You know, you told me that it was going to be possible. Yeah, I cannot do it. It's risky. It is working. Oh, it's a lucky. You don't trust me.
This is good.
See, if you want to do something as a man, hit your chest and do it.
Yes.
I was telling you that time.
Hey, there's going to be a problem.
Problem where?
Oh. There is a problem. Major.
Where? Major did what?
You know, if he sees that girl, you're in big trouble. Let's take her to my house.
Take her to her house.
It's better, yes.
To your house. You are warming up for another man's meat. You didn't go to the hunt with the person. I brought my meat from this and you're preparing the saucer.
Is it not because of you that I'm saying it? Don't you know that when your father comes now and sees her, that's a big problem?
What do you mean? My father will not be here. He's going for a meeting. He will not be here till 8 o'clock. So what's your own? You want me to bring it? Why are you always playing secondary? Can't you play primary? Anything you will do this thing, you come and attach. Are you an attachment?
That's what you should say now. Is it a crime to want to help you?
You are helping me.
I said let's take her to my place so that you can, whatever you want to do there, you can do it there.
Me and you to share her?
No.
That is what you're saying.
No. Okay, no problem.
I don't want you to do this.
No problem.
You know what?
No problem.
Come on, go.
Hey. Oh, will she like this, my slippers?
You want me to describe her slippers for you because you're going?
Going to where?
Home.
Can't I stay and at least see her?
What are you saying? Say to see her for what?
Just to know her. I'll greet her.
What are you knowing her? Why would we share someone? What is wrong with you, Nico? Can't you fight something on your own?
Can't I ask her to bring her friend for me? What is your problem?
Why must she be the one to bring her friend? Why don't you go to Nkwo and pick any friend?
I hate you. You are very wicked.
I know.
Any small benefit that somebody will get from you, you just what is it?
Which benefit?
Can't I just
Can we share some woman?
Did I say we should share it?
That's what do you essence of your staying? You say want to stay. So that you do what?
I'll just introduce myself, then I will beg her to bring her friend for me. You want me to go and just stop anything?
Sharon, what's the problem? Are you okay?
No, Dad.
What's the problem?
Was his money.
Sorry, eh?
Well, as you can see, your daughter is 3 months pregnant.
What? Pregnant? Sharon, who is responsible for this? Talk to me before I kill you. Who is responsible?
It's Akabog.
Who in God's name is Akabog?
Papa, the son of Major JT Uwakwe.
That fool? Oh, Sharon.
I'm sorry.
Why did you stop so long? You are sorry for what? What are you begging me for?
Just like that. What's the problem?
I say, where is your son, Akabog?
Cool down, calm down. What's the problem?
What do you mean by calm down? Your son, Akabog, impregnated my daughter, and you are telling me to calm down.
Tability. This is holy. Jesus is Lord. This is uncontrollable. Not allowed. Preposterous. Very lugubrious. Akabog! Come here. Before I dismantle you. Did you impregnate this girl?
Impregnate?
Impregnate. Did you impregnate this girl?
Sharon, are you pregnant?
Sacro.
I didn't know.
This is terrible.
Listen and listen good. I don't have time for all this nonsense. Since your son, Akabog, decided to put my daughter in a family way, he must marry her. Period. See, and let me inform you that Aka is expelled from our daughter's school.
But that one is possible.
Because we can't condone a character like this.
It's okay, that one is possible. But marrying, you don't write the constitution of the country.
Your wife is here for you.
Alright. You, listen. Were you sleeping when he do you? What does that mean? When were you? Good.
Has she delivered?
Yes. She delivered a bouncing baby boy.
Oh, thank God. How about my daughter?
I'm sorry. We lost her.
Lost her? Have you finished? You did not say that. Doctor, have you seen what?
Papa, good afternoon, sir. Hi, boy. How are you?
Fine.
High school today?
Fine, sir.
Studies?
Fine.
Sure? Yes. That's my boy. Come. My boy, are you sure you are trashing your books very well?
Yes, Papa.
Very good. Now, let me ask you a simple question, my dear. All right. Which is the tallest mountain in Africa?
Mountain Kilimanjaro.
That's my boy. Now, let me look for a tougher one. Good. Where rivers Niger and Benue meet, what is it called?
Confluent.
Where is that?
Loco. Take
my boy. Take my boy. Wait a minute. You are my boy. Wonderful. Take this. Huh?
Papa.
Pursue your books, my dear. Don't be like your father. If you drop out, it's a nuisance. Eh? Yes. You must study well. You'll be either a pilot, or a lawyer, or an engineer, or a doctor. Yes, my boy. Come on, dear. You see? That's good. I was saying, where did that Akabog get this model brains from? And this is God. He's going to take after me in terms of intelligence quotient.
Hey, Major!
What is
Major. Papa, something very, I don't know how to describe it.
What is it?
I say, I went, they said, I have a letter. When I went there, I got the letter. I asked somebody to read it for me. They read it for me. Guess what? Read and smile. Read and smile.
I think you are on your way to jail.
Papa, read it. When they read this thing for me, I could not believe it myself. Go.
Wait a minute.
Joamo Nza.
Shipo, wait oh. Biao.
Sokola.
Shipo. Hey.
Scholarship. American University.
Hey. You see? What more than 17 million people are looking for? One child has gotten it.
Oh, God knows as his servant is.
Oh, I'm
happy.
Hey!
What is it?
Yes, this is scholarship. Scholarship means we're going to them, yeah? Tuition and books. So, how is going to fly there? Live there? Eat? You know how costly land is.
Are we the people to pay for those ones?
We are paying more even. But you must get there.
Are we going to steal?
Jesus is Lord. Nobody can dampen my fighting spirit. I say that, in fact, he's already there.
You mean it?
He's already there.
Maka na o nwere ego abịa na nke dị nwere ego okwu ọbụla ga-abụ eziokwu tiokwe abịa na nke dị nwere ego okwu ọbụla ga-abụ eziokwu. Nathaniel.
Hey, come and stop that idiot. Stand up. Hey, come, get him. Get him. Come on, that rubbish there. Imagine. Swan!
Sir?
Oh my God, me, eh? Sir, you are stupid. Say, Swan, sir.
Swan, sir.
Swan, sir. Very good. Now, chest out. Oh my. Chest out.
We'll be soldier.
Good. Nose in. Nose in. Very good. Now, poke your head out. Very good. Swan. Now, why are you not at your duty posts?
Duty post?
Oh my God. I say, why have you absconded your duty posts?
This intimidation. Are we army? Are we police? Well, we are not on duty. We are not military.
Why did you leave that duty post? Huh?
I'm going to think of if duty post, what you mean by duty post? Is that carpentry workshop? I have told you, I will not be a carpenter. If not that this, because of the problem in Jos, we have to run here. People have been talking to me like this. In Jos, I was aiming high.
Forget about Jos. Forget Jos and its topography. We are talking about reality in realism. You understand me? There's an essence in education. We call it parlez-vous in educational injunctions. You understand me? If you want to be a robber, go to school, become a better robber. If you want to be a carpenter, go to school and become a better carpenter. In fact, you are all moving and mobile illiterate buffoons.
I'm not an illiterate. Papa, you're intimidating us with this your army officer thing. I'm not an illiterate.
You're not an illiterate?
Yeah, I am not. But in this, why did you even train me in a good school if you wanted to cause me with illiteracy? By the time now, I would have been a PhD holder.
You what?
HD.
Let me answer your question from a true pronged attack. Number one, if you know that you are not an illiterate buffoon, show me your curricula vitae. And you, your friend too, come on. Do you have any resume?
Azo.
You see?
Yes.
Apart from that, my dear.
I have.
You shut up. Okay. What is lugubrious intensity? I personally sent you to school, but refused. You decided to go after girls in skirt. Guess who have not had the opportunity of savoring the quintessential essence of cohabitation? And that resulted in the birth of that son of yours, whom I personally also took abroad to go and study the art of medicine, orthodox, not unorthodox.
Is that not manna from my waist? Is that not manna from my waist? Would you have been a grandfather if I hadn't done that? Grandfather to a doctor. Hey, come on, he's talking to us.
Talking to who? Is he my father?
Shut up there! Okay, no wonder. Birds of the same plumage congregate, but they lose firm agreement under the base, crossing the Rubicon.
He's talking about your...
Talking about
your stomach.
Yes, of course. No, it's right. This is what they call stomatic rotunda. Now, look, I know something's wrong. A child who is longing for what they call cohabitation refuses to dance to the very good rhythm of what they call sanctity of matrimony. You need a wife.
So you need a wife?
You idiot, you. This one, he needs wives. You need a wife, yes.
For what?
My friend? I'm going to take you down memory lane. I take you to a lady who has transcended, transmuted, who has betrothed the whole essence of what they call feminine excellence. And she goes by that very sweet, poetic line which we call Quincy.
You say I'm an illiterate, and you are going to marry a wife with all those qualifications. I can agree. Once you are going to do the spending, do the arrangement, marry a wife for me, fine. But it has to be somebody of my level. Not all these your Quincy.
No troubles. I'll do that. Meanwhile, hey boys, with all bronze and no brains, go back to the shop. As if I get there, I don't find you in that shop, I will descend on you with what they call succinct exactitude.
You are intimidating us with this, your army officer. See, how can you be intimidating your son like this?
See, if your father is talking to me, you know that I'm not a little boy.
He's a major. He's a major.
He's a major. Doesn't. They add gas for this thing now.
Add gas for it?
The thing won't bring tears for my eyes.
Not before the bottle where the gas then, now your belly, the gas there.
What do you mean? My belly they release gas?
Now they transfer gas go your eye. They come out things in a bottle. Who you want to deceive?
Not true. You mean say this girl not find the way Major describe him? When you tell me say when I won't go see the girl, I think say once you come back, you tell me say if you see the beautiful girl where Major give you. And
I think that when they talk about blasphemy, fine, beauty, when they take qualify that thing. I say you take the other side of the street of beautiful. I say see this person. Major insult to me. When you see this girl, if you come up for early in the morning, see this thing, conversion will come.
Chai, scale, I understand what you mean.
You know me. No, you know the kind of people where I do this. People will get better meat for money. I Major just why insult me. I'm doing it.
Not true. You get one woman where I know for neighboring village. Chai. In fact, why I can't forget this thing? If you see this woman, you will like her.
Woman.
Not be saying
now woman go fight for me.
Not be saying a woman like that. You know all those kind of girls where they nearly cross girl, but they never really enter a woman like that. Just that middle line.
Who girl?
Yeah, that name good. Who girl? Now those kind of person.
You don't begin to put.
I know what you like now. If you see this full to the brain, if you see him,
you how go begin to recommend who girl for me? Where don't come and you tell me now say you don't dey cross.
Not be saying a woman like that. You know that's
even who girl.
Remove the who na girl. Now the way she fat, now make her the resemble woman na girl. If you look at all the
all these things where
materials where they
all these things where they put say you don't dey cross. I want to say first. Mo go say now.
The day we will get chance, we'll go. I'll take you go.
No be the day we go get chance. No be drink where we drink. By the time we finish this, I think keep this one. We'll go see.
You there in a hurry?
Marriage no be something we do one day. Make we take today, go do sightseeing. Marriage get stages. First of all, you go see sight. You know all these people who want to chop our government money, they go call a feasibility study. Make we go. If I see her first, then you go come back. Second one na to approach. Third one, not to negotiate. And all this is fit take 1 week. So no talk say the day too late.
Professor of marriage. So you know all the rules like this. 9, you don't nearly 80, you never marry.
God's time is the best. You know the hear.
So now God's time keep you like this. For your age, no wife.
Oh, I forgot for God front. You go wait when God sanction and say, now you go marry,
Well,
I feel married that time, no go born.
I not get chance when I get chance, you go.
Look up. Now me wait till hit. Now the pressure me make I go marry. I beg. I take God beg you. Make I go begin.
So I beg did this your mouth since. I beg this since now you know you
be my friend to tell you I beg no be to waste time. Okay,
no need that. No need that.
Make I enter my trap.
You know the way you call the thing talk like say now false.
Hey, come here. Come here. Where do you think you are coming from? And where do you think you are going?
I'm going to my room. I'm coming from the shop.
Your room? Oh my God. Remove that cap, my friend. I'm talking to you. Good. I sent someone to look for you in the shop. And they said that you left there long ago with autocratic recklessness.
Papa, you're intimidating me too much with this your son. I'm your son. You're harassing me. Why don't you allow me to grow on my own?
Come on, shut up there. Shut up, my friend. Why are you threatening the credibility and at the same time the sagacity of the whole ensemble?
Papa, don't use this thing on me. I'm no longer a kid.
Good. That's why I say you should grow up, my boy. Grow up. Oh, good. Now, have you considered what we discussed yesterday?
Oh yes, I've considered it and I've accepted.
So let's call on Quincy immediately and then commence preparations, my boy.
Quickly.
Say.
Papa, I have not discussed or agreed with you on anything about Quincy. Rather than marry that girl, I will go to evil forest and lie there the rest of my life. I found a girl I want to marry from a neighboring village. A girl of my own choice.
My friend, listen. Put on your thinking cap, my dear. Reason with me. Marriage is not something you just jump into and jump out. Eh? It's not a child's play, my dear. I want you to do this with horrendous prevarication. Now, go inside.
Yes, sir. Only Jerusalem woman around. That is the only Jerusalem woman who is about to go to Jericho.
Shalom, shalom. Regular customer. Madam
JP, you know what? You no longer see the village. I want to see if I can connect you to one big hotel in Abuja so you can go and cook. This one is wonderful.
I'm not the one that prepared this one. This one was prepared by my daughter, Jenny.
Your daughter?
Oh, if I prepare by myself, you know what it is.
Hey, well, this says that young girls don't like to even cook food.
My own has to learn how to cook. In fact, she cooks well.
JP, your daughter is married. Huh? I am going to make sure that my son, the only doctor in this community, marries your daughter.
Hey!
Uncle Kaibus!
I can't believe it. Okay. You mean I am going to be the mother-in-law of the one and only American daughter in the whole of Atani community?
Not going to.
Hey!
The in-law. By me. In fact, where is my Jenny?
She went for extramural studies. You know she's preparing for her JAMB and WAEC.
You see how God helps me, brain and beauty. Dr. Anugo, my son is married.
I can't believe it.
What are you saying?
Very soon, I will become the mother-in-law to the one and only American doctor in the whole of Atani community. In-law to AKA. Mama,
Papa.
Come here. Bring seat there.
This young man has come with his people to ask for your hands in marriage. They brought all these things. Do we take this drink?
Yes, Papa.
She has accepted, yeah.
But Papa only on one condition.
Come.
You know, since I finished learning how to sew, I have not been sewing.
Okay.
So I want him to buy me a sewing machine and open a shop for me.
Papa, I don't want anything that will look like disgrace. Or as a matter of fact, bring it. Aka is my friend. I literally brought him here to this family to marry Boma. How can Boma be placing conditions on... that's not the kind
Nico.
No, Aka...
No, Nico, it's okay. She wants a sewing machine.
Yes.
And a shade where she cannot go. I will provide those.
You will buy them? Who am I? Who am I? If it says so, it is done then. You can go ahead and
Are you going out?
Yes, I have an unfinished business with Nicholas. And you agreed to me today. Any problem?
No problem.
Come back my card. I will pass my card. Okay.
Boma!
Major.
Shut up, come here. On Major's left. No fear, on my left.
Major, I hope there's no problem.
Shut up! You say Major, sir.
Major, sir.
Good.
I hope there's no problem.
Shut up. I've warned you before about this. I don't know, sugary, peppery, salty type of cooking. Do you want to damage my Orutulagos kunukulus?
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Simply means that my digestive system. Yeah.
No, sir.
Hi! I'll put it to you now. If I put it into you, that succinctly, it has gone into very embarrassing mode of eccentricity. You understand? Oh. Hey, come on, hey, I'm not a small boy. You want to deceive me with your crocodile chest? Look at with your desert encroachment on your chest. Remove your hand there. I've seen even a lot of vegetation. What do you mean by that? Come on now, get out.
Papa, I still don't agree with you. Have you out? Forget that.
The what? Oh no!
Good afternoon.
Oh, my beautiful princess. Sit down. Yes. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
Fine, my dear.
Aka, how are you?
Good afternoon, welcome.
Don't cut her. This is she's greeting you.
But haven't I replied? Oh, welcome and welcome.
Is that how you respond to greeting?
Don't worry, my dear.
I gave it to you 4 times.
Okay, it's okay.
Is it not enough?
It's okay. My dear, don't mind him. He's on edge today. So he decided to come and greet us, eh? Welcome, my dear.
Thank you, sir. Well, Aka, I've come to tell you that I love you so much and I missed you so much.
Wonderful. That's good, my dear.
So, I brought you some stuffs.
Oh. From where?
Abroad. Which abroad? You went abroad since you came here the other day.
It's by air, my dear. 6 hours you are there.
All these are for you, Aka.
Wonderful. This cannot be for him.
Oh,
anyway.
No, I know you like that.
Yes.
So, Aka, enjoy life to the fullest.
Okay. Thank you. These are for the people who are romantic.
What do you mean?
Those who have rheumatism. I'm not in the hospital yet.
Sick of what?
Your own rheumatism is chronic and it's hereditary. Nothing can stop your own rheumatism. Not even one packet of cornflake. One carton.
Jesus.
The one and only Major General in the entire Atani community.
Onye come for.
Major General, sir.
Gidigba. JP.
The one and only Major General.
Hey!
That won the external and internal aggression.
Hey! I don't believe that.
My one and only American in-law.
Hey! JP! Justice of the Peace.
Hey!
The only Israeli woman in Africa south of the Sahara. MON, member of the Order of the Niger.
Hey, you know.
MFR, member of the Federal Republic. Hey! Wait. Bombs! Bombs! You see, if I call an elephant, you be... Alright, baby elephant! Come on, bring a chef for JP. So, my dear, you are welcome. Je t'aime, oui. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Ah, je m'appelle. Aya Galavoa. Aya.
Major. Huh? I brought hot pepper soup for you. I went to a neighboring town, accusation. I saw this fresh meat. I couldn't resist it. I bought it. And here, I prepared hot pepper soup for you.
Ha! You see? This is what I call coincidental coincidence. You know? Do you know that I was telling this maroon to prepare me pepper soup and then you came with this? Oh my. Okay, I shall be well with you.
Our people say that when a bush rat gets quite old, it falls back to sucking the breast of its younger ones.
That's a fact. That's a fact, my dear.
Hey, this food.
Hey!
And here.
Jesus.
I brought you special nkwoku from Ijo.
Ijo?
Yes. As my only American in-law, I have to take good care of you.
You know something, eh? If you call them Major, they get annoyed. Say Izon.
Izon?
Izon. Izon.
I thought we call them Ijo.
No, that's anglicized. My dear, God bless you. In fact, I'm a bush runner. I've gone very old already.
How does it taste?
You are keeping at us.
Maybe elephant. I hope the taste is. Jenny, hey!
Good.
Will you shut up?
Good evening, man.
What are you doing with this good-for-nothing man? What are you doing with him? Is this the lesson you said you are going to? This one that wants to reap where he did not sow.
Mama, it's John, my English teacher.
Oh, shut up! Jenny, I can see you want to kill my American dream. I will not allow it. Me, Madam JP, I will not allow it. As for you, come. I hope he has not gone to your paradise.
Hi, Mama, no.
Thank God. Now listen to me, you useless village champion that calls yourself a teacher. See, I don't want to see you anywhere near my daughter again. If I ever see you near my daughter, I am going to cut off that flesh, that useless flesh that is dangling between your two legs, that is giving you a bad impression about you, who you are. Leave my daughter alone. I'm looking at what size. Look at her. Can't you see she's not your size? I'm walking at 12. Leave my daughter alone. She's going to marry an American doctor. Now leave.
Sorry.
Go before I begin to hit you now. I should have looked at you. Before you take this America away from me, eh? Una, come on. Una! Move! Move! Why are you squeezing your face? Eh? Listen to me. This is the time for you to learn how to swagger your ginger. Or you ginger your swagger. See, we are on the American entourage. There's nothing you can do about it.
Mama, I've told you that I don't like this thing you're doing. No? I don't like this thing you're telling me.
Oh, will you shut up? Who is talking about what you like and what you don't like? Eh? America, here I come. Oh.
I've said my own. I've said my own.
Why you doing? I can see you are ready to share this your precious cake to all these village champions. But you are the daughter of Madam JP now. And of course, you know I can't allow you to do that. It is time for you to learn how to swagger your ginger. Or you ginger your swagger. Come on, learn how to swagger. Swagger. Hey, nothing to you. Don't be smarting. Only those who know how to swagger ginger.
Papa, I don't like what you do. No, look at it, Major. See, I'm already married woman, which is even too much luggage for me.
It's okay.
And you want to bring another?
It's so, my dear. Variety is the spice of life.
It's not. But did you marry 2 wives?
No.
Your own case.
I know that you are married to a woman. Yes, doesn't matter. You could even take 30 or 40, but I'm not going to force you on anyone. You see, what I'm saying is that there are strategic reasons for getting hooked to a strategic person. You see that girl, Quincy? Hey, my God. Look at the beauty behind her name.
Beauty.
Beautiful girl.
Her slimness.
Oh, yes.
Papa, stop. If you're playing joke with me, stop it.
Listen, my dear.
How can somebody see that girl and tell me say she's beautiful?
When I met her at the airport, Jesus, all eyes turned. Because of the majesty behind her slimness.
You met her at the airport?
Yes.
All eyes turned.
Yes.
Is this a psychiatric airport?
You are stupid.
Yes, that's why I'm becoming wise.
All right. At the international airport. Listen, that girl has something. Apart from the beauty in her slimness, that girl is a senior citizen, mind you. She was born in America. She's a citizen. Not external citizen, but internalized citizen. She's going to turn her life around.
She doesn't have a life in her.
All right, okay. You are becoming too tough for my liking. Let us put it this way. Plan B. Let her come. Give her some peace. Let her stay with you for about 3 days. If you're not satisfied, put her away.
You said it to yourself.
I mean,
if she comes, after 3 days, if I don't like, she go.
3 or 4 days.
You said this with your own mouth.
I am telling you, 3 or 4 days.
You will soon say 4 or 5.
No, 3 or 4.
No, I didn't know that you know how to cook. I'm trying, but we are bad in other areas.
Your food is ready.
How many? Can't you say I'm already eating? Your food is ready. Eat this one.
Aka, you must eat this food, though. You must eat this food.
Alana, are you mad? Do I have 2 mouths?
Don't mind her, eat. Continue eating, please.
Let me eat finish one first. Osuofia.
Aka, you must eat this food, though. You must eat it, though.
Mubad, you this thing.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, man.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you, ma.
Okay.
Thank you.
My brother's wife is here. Now that my brother's wife is here, can you just tell us why you're here?
When a man is of age and ripe for anything in life, he does it. Yes. A blind man can only be told when soup contains no oil. He definitely knows if it lacks salt. Madam JP, my son John and myself have come to seek the hand of your daughter
marriage.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
You're
sir.
welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Madam JP, did you hear what he just said?
Of course I'm not deaf. Young man,
Ma.
what do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm a teacher by profession, ma.
Wait a minute. Are you not John? Or
Yes,
whatever?
Yes, I am.
My daughter's English teacher.
Teacher.
Ah. The one that has been teaching my daughter adjectival and adverbial love. Now you have come to seek her hand in marriage. Both of you, leave my house now.
Huh?
I said leave my house. Do I have water in my mouth?
No, Papa, wait.
Madam JP, what did you get?
Are you still standing there? Leave my house! Fools! Opportunists!
Madam JP, what did you get?
What does it look like I'm doing? Eh?
What is the matter?
Wait, please. I don't have your time now. It's not because you're my husband's brother. Come and take your off from here. No, take! And don't come back. If you want to go, you can go with them. I would have pushed you out to close this door. It's because you're my husband's brother. Are you leaving or are you staying? Are you still crying? Eh? Don't tell me you're still crying because of that. That good for nothing boy that wants to reap where he did not sow. Village champion. That village champion that calls himself a teacher. Look at him. He calls himself a teacher. I am sure he does not have any certificate. Let him not go to the town, no. He can only be a teacher here in the village. If he goes to the town, they'll jail him. Stop crying now. Now wipe your tears. I don't want you to cry again. That boy simply wants to destroy you and our future.
Mama, is that why you have to embarrass them in that manner, eh? You really hurt me, oh. Obviously, you don't even care about how I feel.
Oh, will you shut up? I am your mother, and I know what is best for you. Oh? Stop crying. Wipe your tears. Eh? Forget about that good-for-nothing boy that calls himself John or John the Baptist, whatever. Eh? He is an apology of a man. See, already there's an American doctor waiting to marry you. I have told you to begin to learn how to swagger your ginger. Or you ginger your swagger. See, wipe your tears. I'm on the job. Oh, you didn't? Come on. What do you want to eat? You want to eat rice? I know your favorites now. Chicken, spaghetti, everything. Come on.
Mama, I'm not hungry. Leave me alone.
How can you say you're not hungry? You have not eaten since not. Come on, come now. Come and wipe your tears, eh? It's okay. Come. Let me go. Come here, I'll share you something. Oh, my little chavo. Oh, my little chavo. I'll share you one spaghetti.
When I get to that, there is nobody in this world that will be a rich man. You think I said that you're a wealthy man is a rich man? There must be a source of that wealth that is coming. Do you think people just get rich like that?
Have you noticed that I'm not answering you?
Why?
No. Have you noticed that I'm not replying you?
Why are you not answering? Why are you not replying?
Instead of you to take Major's advice, be serious with this your carpentry work. Before you know it, you make money. You are here talking what I don't know. Your problem is that you are lazy. That's your problem.
Don't insult me, Nico. In Jos, I was already making it in Jos. In fact, I was aiming so high. I was almost becoming a politician in Jos. I come back here, somebody will just construct a carpenter's workshop. I said I should come and become a carpenter. When I have passed that level.
So, even if you were going to become president in Jos, now that you are back to your village, you won't do anything.
I can't go.
See, my uncle in Umweze is a carpenter. You need to see that man. He's in money, rich.
I cannot go below my aim in Jos. My aim in Jos was high. I can't come here and then begin to become a carpenter. What do you mean by carpenter?
Wait.
Have you forgotten that the person you are talking to is Nicholas? That Jos you are talking about, we were there together.
Even if now.
How can you be telling me you were aiming high in Jos, you were becoming politician?
We are not aiming in any way. Aiming high. Whatever we are doing.
See, anytime you want to talk about Jos, and I am there, don't lie.
I know.
Or do you want me to tell the villagers what you were doing in Jos?
If you tell people now, the two of us.
So anytime we are together, you maintain. Every time, Jos. Become. What were you becoming in Jos?
What I'm trying to tell you, even if we are not high in Jos, let us aim high in village. We don't go to begin to tell villagers that what we do in Jos, because most of them don't know what we do.
And then when you are talking to me, maintain.
It is for you to know that we have to aim high. It's not because you do not know. We know ourselves.
You are lucky to have a father who is even planning for you, helping you to set up things. This carpentry thing, if you take it serious, I'll be supporting you, helping you to carry wood, I help you to hold this thing, you nail it. Before you know it, two of us will make money and we'll go very rich.
Why are you supporting? You are giving me advice. Look at you. King Solomon, you're giving me advice now. As if you're not, you even have prodigal tendencies more than myself.
I don't have anybody to help me now. At least you have a father. My own, where is my father?
Are you not supposed to be a father? Your father delivered you for you to help. You are supposed to have another son.
So, now me by myself?
You have to born another person.
Yeah. The person who born you to help you?
You have to make a family. Don't advise me, Nico. I'm even better than you because I have a son who is a potential doctor in America.
Let us plan with what we have. Let us plan with what is on ground.
What is on ground?
How can we be planning with your son? Now we don't even know if immigration will allow you to come back.
Is my son not on ground? Are you saying my son is he dead?
Okay, supposing he doesn't come back. Okay, let's say he comes back without money.
I'm suspecting you.
Suspecting me what?
A doctor in America comes back without money.
Email they deceive you. Email, I they deceive you.
Listen to what I'm saying. There are some good jobs that you can be doing. Do you know who can take over this community? You don't know? We can become the community leaders.
Community leaders? But we are not old now. How would they believe us?
It's not about old. See, those people who are even taking up community leadership are educated people. Now most of them are in the cities, entering politics and doing this. We can take their position. Imagine if we collect some boys now, all these big cars that they drive past our road, we say we are doing carnival. 1 week we just come, gather these boys.
They will believe us.
Tell them, yes! We tell them we are using it to construct road.
We just
everybody that is driving past, we bring toll gate.
Change our dressing. Strong our face.
Tell them that good reason that we are building road.
Stop there! Do you know us?
I said, who is here?
Illegal structures everywhere.
Without
obtaining the right permission. Yes, stop there. What are you doing here?
Come, who is in charge? Who is in charge here?
I'm waiting.
Who is in charge?
You know return this quick. Return this wheelbarrow here.
You know this in charge.
Who gave him permission? Return it.
What's the problem?
We want to know not about the problem. Are you police?
Who is the owner of this house?
What is the problem? I'm the owner of the house.
Very good.
So you went and started construction without obeying all the rules, paying all the things you're supposed to pay?
Normal fees.
Yes, all the fees.
As far as I'm concerned, I've paid everything that is due for this particular house.
To who? No. To who?
Have you paid to the youth? We are the leaders of the youth of this community.
Yes.
We have the youth levy. Everybody knows it everywhere. Before you put one block here, you're supposed to come and settle the youth.
Were you not supposed to come to our office as the youth community association and pay the normal levy before you start constructing? You just came here, built whatever you like.
I don't understand what you like.
You will understand.
We are the youths of this community, leaders of the... No, don't get it from here.
Let me finish.
He has not talked now. Allow him to talk first.
Excuse me, how can these two old men like you become the youth leader of this particular company?
Is he by age? No. You would have preferred your father to be the leader.
If we live here, by the time we come back with the youths, we may not even come back.
This house
the youth
former house.
And break this house down.
What
Go and ask. They have done it to several places.
For these guys, let me write it.
Don't write it.
Let me write it.
Hold on.
Let me write it.
Hold on. How much is the money?
The money is just 100,000.
100 what?
Excuse me. You said 100 how much?
100,000. Let's leave that. Let him pay just the normal fee.
For what? What of the fine for building on illegal land and not coming to our office?
That's another one.
You guys are sick.
No, it's alright. Just pay the.
You guys are sick.
You should pay 100.
100,000 just for me to build the house.
Let's go and call this.
We will show you sickness now.
This thing will be on the floor.
Leave it.
you see the thing now? This cassava farmland was this other one. In fact, you can uproot the cassava and take it. Then this side, after this block, down there, you see that banana tree? That is the demarcation. Then you go this way. So that,
No. That's okay. Let's not go beyond that palm tree.
Okay.
No, it's okay because yes, you might not be able to pay for everything.
No, but we have to give him enough land now.
Because of his t-shirt, are you sure he can pay?
No. What are you saying? So you have seen the whole thing.
It's okay.
Any problem?
I think I'm okay.
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 Beautiful.
So let's go.
For the
money.
Okay.
Payment.
Thank you. This land No, come. No. I don't mean that the Igwe is pursuing us right away. But you see, Azeka and Ochendo went and reported us to the Igwe that we were selling, we have sold their land and we have eaten the money. Now, Igwe is mustering people to pursue us. You see it?
What kind of village is this? Oh, God. What kind of jealousy is this? What kind of enemies of progress are we dealing with in this village? So just this little business, that the very lucrative business that God has blessed us with now, they are beginning to witch us.
What are you talking? You are still crying over split milk. I'm telling you, let us find solution to this whole thing now. You're still crying, people are envious. What are we going to do now? Because the Igwe is on us.
And this business
I've gotten it. Yeah. Let us lay everything on the table for Major. Let Major carry our burden for us. Let him handle it. You know he's very influential.
We should go and tell Major.
Of course now. Who else?
Are you where?
What do you mean by my word? He's the only person that can carry it.
No. Are you out of your senses?
What kind of question is that?
Don't you know who Major is? So we should go and meet Major and tell him, sir, we are sorry, we stole this land, we stole this man's land, we stole that.
No, you're getting it wrong. We are going to tell Major that these people are accusing us falsely. Did anybody see you with money?
No, no.
We tell Major that these people just want to accuse us unnecessarily. We can give him one good reason why these people are pursuing us.
In fact, you know he's a freedom fighter.
Yeah. Once Major can go
this
to
is the best Major. You have for every of sin you have committed against me, I'm forgiving you everything.
Come and give me a drink.
Oh my God.
Give me a drink.
This is very shameful. Very, very shameful. Our people say that the sore on the forehead of a lady does not allow her to be proud of herself. There is also the saying that the shame on the eyebrow is much more heavier than a basket of yam. Whatever that is about to cause an embarrassment is supposed to be stopped immediately. Mazi, Azaka, and Uchendo, repeat what you told me before.
Your Highness, 2 days ago I went to my land, the one that is near Ngede Stream. I met this man clearing my land. When I confronted him, he told me that he bought it from 2 persons he called Peter and Paul. His description fitted Aka and Nicholas. And when he saw them, he confirmed it. Like I told you, the man I met told me he bought my piece of land from Peter and Paul. And later I confirmed that the same Peter and Paul are no other persons than Aka and Nicholas. Look at them.
Young man, did you hear them?
Yeah, I did.
Aka and Nicholas, what do you have to say?
Oh boy.
Aka, do you have anything to add?
He doesn't have anything to add. He has nothing more to add. We are just being decent. How can we sit in court with these lesser mortals and then they start talking gibberish? How could one in elemental sense accuse this young man, especially this man, who is the father of the only medical
in our community. Look at you. The only American trained doctor. And you're here looking like maroons. I mean, if it were when I was in the army. Hey, yeah. Oh my God. If these men are sure of their claims, then let them produce evidence of punches.
Major, we are very sorry for everything. You don't have to get annoyed to that extent. I have not really accepted what they said. Well, Azazaka and Ochendo, you will go tell the people to produce their evidence of purchase. And when they bring that, you now come back to this palace, then you can look into it.
Igwe, it's okay. No, I don't know what blessing. May you live forever. Charlie!
Mama, I'm going home. Come on, let's go.
I'm going to buy what you're asking for.
Oh, okay. But come on, come. Hassan. You know you are about to become the #1 woman in this community. The first lady. I don't want you from now onwards to be walking like all those village women again. Your step has to change. That is all the things I've been teaching you about. Swagging your ginger or changing your swagger.
Mama.
Okay, let me show you.
Baby, ginger your swagger, oh. Ginger your swagger. Baby, swagger your ginger.
As you are doing it, you are going to swagger your ginger or ginger your swagger like this.
Mama the mama!
The only JP in this community.
Original.
Okay, let me watch you do it. Do it, let me see. Let me watch it. Swag. Don't be stiff. Yeah. Remember to keep swaggering your ginger and gingering your swagger. Okay. Come on, go. Swagger your ginger your swagger. Swagger your ginger your swagger. Swagger your ginger. Oh, that's wonderful.
Did I walk well?
Very, very well. Practice makes perfect. Just start, that's the important thing. As you are doing it, remember to swagger your ginger your swagger. Okay. You understand? Come on, you can go now. Yes. Practice it, oh.
Okay, now.
Swagger your ginger your swagger. Swagger your ginger. Nothing do you. I'm on the job. Hey.
Yes, the country is doomed without unity. That is profound statement. Journalistic jargon, you know. They want to sell high sounding terminology, jaw breaking words, just to sell. I see. Well,
D major.
So you don't have the elemental respect for your seniors?
No, D major. See, I didn't notice that you were sitting here. You know, I was just going straight. I didn't look left.
So I've become an unknown infinitesimal.
Hi.
Jesus is Lord. Now, I wanted to place you on a pedestal where you could. But before that, let me ask you, why were you prancing about with such debilitating misnomer? No.
Sir?
Oh my God. I thought I was talking to a human being. My friend, I wanted to place you on a pedestal where you start to realize, jointly or severally, the differences between classical pieces and pieces of classics. Okay, talking the long story short, whom are you looking for?
The major, I have not committed any offense this afternoon.
Whom are you looking for?
I just want to see Aka.
That is it. Why not make a small statement? I'm speaking of those things. Go in this inside, there's nothing around there. As usual.
Oh, wow. To be person now, no barrel and paper to write the exam, no see your friend again. Now what? What is Aka? Aka. Why did you chew your mouth? For sleep?
I was talking to some expatriates, some executives that came for construction in Nigeria.
Inside dream? High fever?
No, it's not fever.
You know what they call high fever?
No, it's not fever. It's not just a simple.
Expatriates that you did not talk to for real life, now you go to discuss with for dream.
I can't lose both ways now. If I cannot talk to them in real life, now let me at least have the opportunity of talking to them in my dreams.
Please, leave that one. On a more serious note, see, any moment from now, I won't be coming to visit you again. No. On a more serious note.
What did I do, Corey?
If you know the kind of exam that I write every day just to see you.
Where?
Major. There is no kind of grammar that is grammar in this world that he don't use to qualify me just because I said I want to come and see you.
When I was telling you that, okay, you who is coming from outside, check the way he harasses me who is inside and what I see. That's why I normally I just say, let me just relax my bone before I know if I wake up he will start again.
But was he in their interrogation department in the army?
Don't you know these people who went to the army? They tell a lot of lies. Even if they're education, they will come, they will tell you they're in the war front all through their life. You know, they can speak. This is the kind of English he speaks. He can jump out English, you don't want to. Like a West dictionary, put it in
Oxford. Some of those English feel not correct.
Do you think they're correct?
If you hear the way some of them sound, that thing cannot be English. Maybe it's because of that injection that they used to give them. You know, that thing has a way of turning somebody's head.
That's what you saw with my food. He thinks he's fit, but he's sick.
We have to be very careful with him.
What do you think I was telling you? Don't challenge him, leave him to talk.
Anyway, the reason I came to see you, I am very dry. Honestly. As you see. What is good about it?
Do you want to be wet?
Oh, be serious now, that's not what I mean. I am cashless, nothing. Not even a dime. I beg. Is there no way?
Home is better. I'm going.
Hey!
You see it?
If you see all the people that used to greet me with respect, when they see me now, Nico. Nico. No respect, nothing.
They don't greet you at all.
Hi!
They throw away their faces when I pass.
The worst thing that can happen to any man is to be rich, then after some time you are no longer rich. Chai!
That thing is the worst sickness you can ever think of.
Oh, God.
Well, to think about this thing, you know why this, I don't know whether the Zuma has gone out of this community.
No stranger will do this kind of thing. See, they don't even do what they want to begin live there without even consulting.
Let's make sure there is no indigenous. Hey, who is there?
Who there here?
Who's there? Why are these people constructing? Go, who is there?
Stop there. Who are you and what you want?
We are just
now we be the people where they help people cut grass.
Yes.
We wonder whether we won't cut all this grass with the here.
Which grass? We are grass cutters.
No be now where they cut grass. Now we. Now where they collect levy for this town. We be local government.
Is it Levi?
Levy. We be local government. No. We be now they collect levy for this town. They collect money for this town. See all those money. We now bring them today.
Dad! So forget this man.
See this old man, you don't think catch them. Tomorrow go say you be guy man. I no fuck up. Those persons see this man, you no fit catch them. Tomorrow go say na guy man you be. Let you talk again.
Yes, I'm fine.
Go yo.
No, come. Let me. say this one now, fam. No for. I just say they don't send them go city or make them go begin with thief for them.
That one with the strong face. Yeah. The other one.
That Zuma.
Zuma.
Now be Zuma now.
That guy was holding something, no?
You don't say that shooter now. They go hire him to go to native. Native that person. I go down save us.
That way if he be gone.
Now go. No be fit be a siam. Now go. Now wait.
Huh? See those guys, they must be smoking something. Who? If you see their face, it's not ordinary. They must be smoking something.
They smell. Come make we come out here before they hear us. At a stage, we could not even reach you on phone. Well, we are wondering.
Actually, we are all getting worried, you know. Now you suddenly remove from the face of the platform. I mean, what happened?
Come on, guys. Let's leave that for now. It's a long story, you know what I mean? But is it to cut the long story short? My phone had problems. You know what's up with all these phones? Hey, the good thing is that I'm here now and I'm back for good, you know what I mean?
That's boy.
You're the major.
English delivered the English way.
Yeah.
That is it. You won't understand it, my boy. Yeah. Now, let's cross-fertilize ideas.
Thomas, what have I done to you?
What?
Can't you leave me alone?
Enough is enough. Continue.
What was the experience like? I mean, school.
Yeah, it was quite fun. Yeah, we had a lot of time to relax and feel good after the uphill task of academic exercises,
That is my boy.
Oh God. Hang out with friends, do business and stuff like that.
Come on.
And you can as well fix the elections at their convenience, you know what I mean?
That doesn't my boy.
You see, Donna?
Good.
I want to ask this question. Don't be offended, though. I didn't mean any harm. I don't mean any harm. Because since I saw you, this question has been eating my intestine. When I saw you, I did not like what I saw. Oh! That's why I have decided to ask. Don't hide anything from us. Were you sick at any moment, or do you have any problem that was taking the meat of your friend?
Dude, that's in the olden days, We are in a computer age now. The president of America, Barack Obama, looks the way I'm looking. In America, we don't eat much, We wash our weight. I'm also an international model, you know what I mean?
Model.
Dr. Don Cornelio, international model.
Understand that? He say it looks.
Is that the same thing that is with you? Then what is wrong with you? Because people can mistake you as a madman.
Dude, you see, I read a lot while abroad, I'm an eclectic reader,
Thank you.
Epileptic? No, eclectic reader. I read every time, You see, when you read the way I read, you're bound to, have this kind of hairstyle,
Honestly, even in the military, if you go through too much of warfare tactics and skirmishes, you begin to grow this type of. It's called several-pronged head.
Oh!
Yeah.
What the fuck? Major, the quintessential major. You know what? If you were to be in America, you would have been a 3-star general by now, you know what I mean?
See what I mean? You wouldn't understand that.
Anyway, that reminds me. Who are these ladies?
Oh, these ladies?
Yeah.
They are my punishment.
These ladies, erotically, are your father's wives. But sacrosanctly, they are a combination of unabridged, sublime mysticism and nonsense.
Wow! This is double jeopardy.
Yes, my dear.
I hope you guys are not giving my father some kind of stress, you know what I mean?
No. As you can see, I'm taking good care of him. Can't you see how nourished he looks?
See, I'm the one taking care of him. I'm the one taking care of him. I'm the only wife here.
Major.
I'll put it in coffee.
Very, very, my dear.
How are you leaving?
Who was your husband? Go inside! Go inside! Hey, your cousin here, Fiausa.
You are living, you're really living in here.
That was how the Englishman treated Igbo. Without recourse to prevarication. Let me quickly call on our son, Dr. Don, to speak for himself.
The manager.
Lead, my boy.
Igwe, it is customary for me to come pay homage to you after my sojourn abroad. You know what I mean? I'm happy to be home. It's a thing of joy to be home. And I'd like to use this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to you for your support and warm reception at my return. I appreciate it. Dr. Don thanks you immensely. Igwe, in here are some bottles of wine and some of that stuff I bought for you. I brought them from America, the country home of Obama.
Thank you very much. You are a true son of your father.
It's my son.
In fact, a true son of father.
Ah, no, he will be like his father.
You see, one can only challenge hunger if he's holding a piece of yam in his hand. Market is said to be successful if the trader returns home safely. In other words, one is proclaimed a hero if he goes to the battlefield and returns home safely. Exactly. Let me now tell you that the whole of Africa, we are proud of you. Thank you very much, and you are welcome home.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Now that I'm back, I will find time to visit you regularly.
Come on, come on, sit down. It's a family tea. Yeah. My God, come on.
Igwe, I don't seem to recognize her. This is a beautiful dancer. Is she?
She's my daughter, Adele. Yes. She was younger when we traveled abroad. She is an undergraduate.
Wow, that's wonderful. Adele, what course are you studying?
Military science.
No. I study law.
It's something to do.
It's a lie. Law. So you graduate as a lawyer. Kera. This guy is the most intelligent guy in this vicinity.
The law.
Please, Judah Keiji.
That reminds me. You said you're studying
law.
Oh, law. Yeah. You did say that. I remember. Where would you like to do your master's? Would you like to do Latin America?
Of course. Is that possible?
Why not? It's possible. I can do that. I'm Mr. Fix-It. I can do that. No. Obama is my home boy. You don't know my weight. Dr. Don call you and I'm a big boy. I'm a big sharp. I'm a big dude in America. I live in California, you know what I'm saying? Obama is my home boy. It does not make any difference, man. I'm only trying to, play with my in-law, you know what I'm saying?
I know, it's not the Jenny.
Major, I bless this woman.
Yeah.
Let me give her some fucking dollars, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
It's not fucking.
Yeah.
Dollar.
Yes, sir. Hey, for you. And this is for my baby Jenny.
Hey! Dollar.
Just say I see her.
What about Grandpa?
Thank you very much.
I got dollars.
Yeah.
I got enough dollars, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Abia.
What's that? Are you okay, boy?
I'm okay.
I won't be here.
Let me, take care of her.
Are you sure you're alright?
Yeah, very well, alright.
I told you couldn't concern his manhood in instructors. Since I told him about he now sees the mother. I said I begin to do.
The boy is okay. It's okay. Sit down yourself. Sit down.
See my father is
it's fashion. When do I damage you in America?
Is it Qatar?
ginger, swagger your ginger. No matter.
The Jerusalem mama.
Shalom, shalom.
The Jerusalem mama.
Shalom, shalom. Hey!
Mama.
Oh.
I know that anytime you ask like this, it's never in vain.
You're right.
There must be good news.
Good
so
news.
tease me. What is the good news this time?
Good news.
Hey.
That is an understatement. Watch and see. Oh, my little.
Hey!
Swagger your ginger.
Mama?
Ginger your swagger.
Dollar!
This is real cash.
Mama,
No. This is American dollar. Don't jump into it. Eh? Take it easy with it. This is for you. And this is for me, says Dr. Don, your American husband and my in-law. Don't be smart, you know. So you see why I said you should learn to ginger your swagger or swagger your ginger. And so you just have to forget about this local league. Now you are enjoying Champions League.
Mama, this is a very big money.
You can say it again.
When did he say that he's coming to see me?
Any moment from now.
Hey.
Better go in there. Get yourself prepared to meet your American husband.
Mama.
Hi!
Mama, no time.
Oh, Manisha! Swagger your ginger! What?
Original, Mama!
Ginger your swagger.
Hey!
Swagger your ginger.
From the market. Hey, sorry, we didn't see you. My dear, you can't believe what I saw today. Sorry. Amaka, what did you say? I saw Jenny. You needed to see the way this babe was looking. Man, she was looking hot. She know the one that almost put me into my scarf. Is what she was buying things with in the market. What? American dollars now. Dollars? Yes, so. Igwe. It's simply called evidence of American connection. Simple. Oh, Washa. I envy her. So Jenny has finally dumped John, the English teacher, for that American doctor. My God, no, this is bad. Nkechi, are you blind? In fact, I'm sure if it were to be you, you would have done worse than that. Yes. My dear, having been the doctor, smiled on my way, would have just jumped on him. Ah. Correct girl. Don't mind this Ngbeke. She's just simply jealous. Hey, Ngbeke, I beg, shut up. Nkechi, I said that's enough. Let's go. I don't like this. Let's go, Amaka. Where are you going to? I'll leave this. Where are you going to? Come back. Stupid girl. Nkechi, you're even walking.
I'll go with you. This one is Ojiwo.
Oh, wow.
One for you, one for Doc.
Oh, wow. The only Jerusalem woman that is around this vicinity and community.
Shalom, shalom.
JP for joint production and joint productivity. JP for Jolly Pokoto.
Shalom.
Oh, there you have seen it. Yes. Wherever this one comes from, we replenish your dead food.
Mama, you know what? I appreciate, from the depth of my heart, Dr. Don Corleone, thank you immensely.
You're welcome, my in-law. You're welcome.
You see?
Hey.
Wow.
This one is called Love Wanting.
You know young men or young women of these days are so much on heat. When they are in love, it's like there's fire somewhere.
They don't even know that we're here.
Do we matter? Hey! They don't even recognize everybody apart from their presence. then an eggshell.
Omalisham, I'm sorry to interrupt. I don't mean to disturb you people at all. Why don't you go and bring that special meat you prepared for your husband? Okay. So you can come back and complete what you've started.
Okay,
Wow.
Okay, don't be angry.
Jenny, no,
I feel on top of the world.
I know.
It's like a blessing from above, you know.
See, when I was telling you that we on the ground clean our eyes and find you something.
I told you you're doing, you know what I'm saying, bro? I love that.
You do the weapon. Abia.
I'm alright. Dude, you know what? I forgot my phone at home. I go get my phone. You wait for me behind. I make it snappy. I'll be back in the jiffy. You know what I'm saying? I'll be right back. Everything is perfect.
You know what happens is that if, like, he forgot his phone, too much book because of
overreading.
He read too much. Do you know what happened now? His brain has been so electrified that he forgot his phone at home. It didn't send signal. It didn't register in his head. He now remembered the thing. I don't like that kind of education. This boy read, and I told him he should have come back. He read until his eyes began to coil.
Wait. Are you okay? Yeah, very okay. Perfect.
Do you know this guy? No? This is Dr. Tonna that just came back from America.
Okay,
Don.
Are you okay? Yeah, me okay. Just sit tight on the throne. First time I want to smoke up my brain. Give me one piece on Lego ganja. Give me some seed of wisdom. First time I want to feel like it. Babylonians, you know what? In America we smoke Hindu, but here you smoke crap. Give that bama to your mama, you know what I'm saying?
You are playing with me as if you are playing with a little boy. Play. Oh yeah, I've blocked everywhere. So.
You know, since that day we haven't done anything.
Ask anybody.
Haven't done anything.
Are we mad? We can't try it. Let's be a two-piece man. Wait till they talk, please.
Okay. I now remember. Don't worry, we are not here for that. Relax. We came to see Dr. for everybody here. And you know what?
Nah.
Every winner will smile home with my $200.
Young one.
$200.
Young one.
Wait. You will dash people. Wait.
a lot of things. Don't have to. I got a lot of money to throw around. That's the problem. No, relax, man. I got some money.
See, you mean who we go collect dollars?
Yeah.
Idiot. Play that thing, let me dance.
Sit down. Is he your son?
Are you his grandfather?
Is he your in-law?
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Why you dey come out with me? I not be your friend.
And you want to dance first because of the dollar?
They don't say who dance first and they will give money.
Sit down.
Let's follow the procedure. Let's follow the procedure. You know what I'm saying? We follow the procedure.
By Bonnie.
You see, the first group to perform to our delight will be my grandpa.
My man!
Quintessential. Major. J.T. Yowakwe.
Quinte.
And the ebullient Mara JP.
Jerusalem. Shalom.
And the second group will be my father Kabob and his two wives. Mama and Prince.
Oh my God.
Where is that motherfucking DJ?
Now support.
Who is in the mix? Play me some Pink Floyd, you know what I'm saying, boy? Hey. Hit the music, let the music begin, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.
Jerusalem, Mama.
Board member, Enugu USA. Mrs. Vero Modele, the Vice President of this one, Mrs. Adibo, ex-board member Enugu USA. Goes number one, Adibo. Mrs. Teresa Ola. Ex-board member Enugu USA. Mrs. Ebenabo. Ngozi Eze. Mrs. Amaka Ugochukwu Nnamchi.
Come out. Come and dance. Get up. Oh, yeah. Dance. Dance for me. Let's see.
Mrs. Grace Ofa. Mrs. Benedict, Ikechon Nora. Mrs. Nna Ibemdeze.
Sit down.
They never give me money.
Take it now.
This is Ruby,
One with Jacob, you come with money.
I'm so happy you visited, you know. I'm so happy. I'm elated you're here.
I'm so glad.
Yeah. That reminds me.
Yeah.
You said to be going back
handful. Oh, Ghana.
Oh, go with you.
Hey. Hey. JP.
Oh, Shansa.
Hey, Skadayash. JP International. The only JP in Africa, in fact, north of the Sahara. Let me go back and offer you something to drink. Let's go.
No.
Okay, let's go. I have some food. Friend.
No, my in-law. My in-law. Right now, I'm in my in-law's house. If I'm hungry, I'll simply tell them that.
That's a fact. Free of any charge.
The only measure.
Come on, Shansa. That's it. Oh, God. Oh.
How about my in-law, Dr. Don?
Hey, Dr. Don, Onojie.
He's sleeping. Big man sleep. They call it technically siesta.
It's very important.
The body needs some rest.
Yes. Ogo, imana ndi ba isi na uka akparapa.
You see?
Isi ka ejekwe.
That was before my day. Antiquated notion. Modern science. Me isi o, me mono.
The only measure. Ogo, I have come to know when you people will come to finalize things on my daughter's head.
JP, you are as expectant and as excited as myself. Give us just a little time. When he wakes up now, we're going to a TRT. Then we come back for concretization.
Oh!
Scatter your yasho! Let me tell you something. Let's go. Let's go, my dear. You see, at times when I look at that, I don't laugh. Children. Oh, God.
All right. God damn it! My stuff is finished. God damn it! This is bullshit. My stuff. Hey! I am finished. What do I do? My stuff is finished. My stuff is finished. What do I do now? How do I go about it? Dr. Dog, you are in trouble. My stuff is finished. Your Highness, you're welcome. Thank you. How are you? Good.
Doc, please, what's the outcome of the test you conducted on her?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Your daughter is 8 weeks pregnant.
Hey! Are you sure? Hey! Ades, you have finished yourself.
Adeze, you have disgraced yourself. Hey! Adeze, you have destroyed your present and your future. Child! My God, Adeze, you have killed me. Hey, now listen, before I close this my eyes and open it, you have told me who is responsible for this mess. Talk now! Better talk. Talk! What is that?
If it's okay, Your Highness, please. This is hospital, please.
Doc, okay, I'm sorry, please. But can you leave us, please? Sorry.
You want me to leave?
Yes, please. We can sort it out. Okay. Talk now. Talk. Who is that person? Adeze, now talk. Talk now before I kill you. I'll kill you now.
I will talk.
Who made that talk?
Baba,
Who is it?
Tonto.
Hey!
Aso.
Hey!
Hey! Take this drink. Go and show us your husband. Eh? Music!
Igwe need my presence?
Yes, he's present or you come with us now.
If Igwe need his presence, let him go bring cats. Let us go and pursue him.
Fine, okay, let's go.
Okay, what is this?
Where is he? Let's get
This is a joke. Can't do it.
Wait! I will come with you to the palace. No. I will speak with Igwe later. No. He just has to come with us. Wait, he has to come with us.
Oga, waiting you they do no good, oh. I see you. I get evidence, oh. I see you. If you don't give me my respect, oh. I see you. Something go come out from my big mouth, oh. I see you. Oga, waiting I see the very bad, oh. I see you. Madam will not go like this thing, no. I see you. If you don't treat me like a fellow big man, I see you. I see you. Oga, waiting you they do no good, oh. I see you. I get evidence, oh. I see you. If you don't give me my respect, oh. I see you. Something go come out from my mouth, oh. I see you. Oko wara wara eh. Oko wara wara eh. Anya zam zam oh. Anya zam zam oh. Your leg in the go wara wara eh. Oko wara wara eh. My eye they see zam zam oh. My eye they see zam zam oh. Oko wara wara eh.